You're just offshore waiting for you. Signal at me when you get the gas.
Why are you like making weird
This should be easy. You just need to grab some diesel.
Want to hear a prediction?
Nope.
No.
There's not going to be any gas. Watch.
Yeah, we.
Let's make some grits.
Oh, yeah.
No, I got everything I need right here. Yeah. Baseball bat. Let's go kill something. Who's this? Bonk. Yo. Bonk. All day. All freaking day.
Heads up.
Oh man, if this is all they thought, then I'm just gonna be upset. I'm disappointed. I was expecting more than this.
You silly.
Ooh, yeah. Get off me.
Healing.
First aid kit here.
How do I do what?
Here we go.
Oh, voice? What do you mean? I'm the freaking scout. No, I'm not the voice. I'm not the guy who did the voice of the scout. No, I'm just the guy that's very good at voice. Speaking of which... Oh, damn it!
Nice.
I bounced one too many times! I'm sorry for everything! Oh, hell!
Watch out.
Let's go! Stop! Come on, man!
Bam.
Oh, shit! Watch out!
Reloading.
Oh, I couldn't help but notice we left one of us behind. Get off of me!
coming.
How are you fighting me with one arm?
Marita. What the hell? I was grabbing another pipe bomb. Oh.
Yeah! Hey, it's always good to have more explosives. Oh, hell! Come here! Bonk.
Jesus Christ, that was like the goddamn zombie.
Look out!
Reloading.
Oh, look at him! Oh, look at the head pop off. This should happen. Oh,
Reloading.
that's great. Look at that. No kicking your soul, but that's so fine. No clumps of hands, it's nothing.
That's right.
Hey, through that playground.
Let's not mess this up by shooting each other, okay?
Whoa! Come here, Hunter. Come here. I got some boy. You think you're fast? You think you're fast? Come here. That's it. Get nice and close.
Reloading.
Alice. Yeah, what's up? What you need now? Whoa! Shit!
Reload.
That's it. Come here. Come here. What, you got a big arm? That's your thing? That's cute. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Yeah! Like some dice honk and want. That's all it's up. What do I think about the red sky?
Stop shooting me.
I don't think much about him. I mostly just kill him. Yeah. Why is that every time I like all the time? Everybody thinks back to that. You know, hey, great video, all that interesting stuff. Hey, it makes me feel good. No, oh, about my freaking mom.
Alice, come on, man. Sounds like a wish. Lights off.
Anybody else feel that? Sounds like a heavy after a bad night of eating sandwiches.
Why are you typing with
My question is how do you keep fighting without arms? Like, if I lost my arm, I think I'd say, okay, you know what? Game over, you win, I've lost. Don't have an arm, can't fight anymore. No, zombies, they don't think that way. I blow his head off, he's like, nah, it's still gonna come. I'm not done. Oh, hell no, Jesus!
Deep unit here. Hold up.
There, come on.
Reloading.
Watch out, guys.
Who's that for? Look out.
Oh, look at that! I got leg in my eye. That's great. Stand there.
Reloading.
I'm a freaking blur here. Get him.
Pipe bomb.
I'll hold on to these pills.
I gotta heal.
That picks me up real good.
So, I don't think this is the way we're supposed to be going, but hey, look at this. What we got here? Pipe bomb and pills and the toilet. Yes, finally.
Pills here.
Tank.
Yeah, go
Why
for
are you way
Sabrina.
over here?
Don't go for me. Go for Sabrina first.
Let's cut through the garage sale. Come on! You shoot me again, and I will drop.
Oh, look at Betty go down. Yeah, you just stay down there,
Stop,
Fatso.
guys. I have to heal.
Oh, Jesus! Ah! Just keep helping me!
Heads up!
Was that a spy? What the hell was that thing?
I thought it was running from me.
Reloading.
What the hell's going on here? Why is she
I'll tell you
hanging?
what the hell's going on here. It's a Bonk Fest. Bonk Fest 2009. Thank you.
I need ammo.
I'm not dying in the middle of nowhere.
How come you weren't talking earlier?
I don't know. Couldn't reach my mic. Hey, look at this. There's a guy who sounds like the spy up there. The spy, all he ever does is smoke cigarettes. This is what happens to you. I'm just gonna toss this up there and hope I get him.
Oh, that's bullshit. Come on, guys.
Okay, I'm coming. Don't sweat it. Come on with the bonk. Coming with the bonk. Oh yeah!
I don't know where the hell he is.
He's all over here in the freaking bushes. There we go. I'm gonna go kill him real quick. I hope you don't mind.
Oh shit.
Where you going? Where you going, pal? Yeah, I'd run too if you saw me coming for you.
Should have kept
Let's go. Let's go. You got something you want to say? Say to this. Bonk.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Safe from up there.
Why?
I'll go get him in a second.